Hello everyone, this is Project Pharaoh, and our topic is AI private equity investment and research on the entrepreneurship profession assessment. So here is what we are going to talk about today. First, the capabilities analysis. Second, the backgrounds, including academic background and the professional background, and also significant news. Third, the leadership of WorkFusion from papers and articles. Fourth part is the video analysis, speech to text. And the last part is the conclusion. Here comes the first part.
When analyzing the capabilities of senior managers, we focus on the skills recognition. Skills recognition is a public recognition of a manager's ability in a particular field. It can be shown by a numerical value. A manager has many skills. In order to easily show data, we can combine similar skills into one skill, then classify the combined skills into technical skills, management skills, and leadership skills. From demonstration, the technical skills, management skills, and leadership are mainly concentrated on software, marketing, and leadership. Senior managers of WorkFusion have more recognition at the technical level, accounting for more than half of the total skills points, indicating that the senior management team has a certain advantage in terms of technology. However, the leadership is not widely recognized. For competitor company, UiPath manages skill recognition distribution is more balanced. Then, for the individual skills points comparison, the circle reads from inside to outside refer to technical skills, management skills, and leadership. Some managers have more recognition in terms of technical capabilities, and some have more recognition in management. For example, the technical skills of WorkFusion CEO is more than other managers, but his management and leadership ratio is very small. Of course, there are also managers with high skills certifications in all aspects. Therefore, this kind of people in WorkFusion and the ratio is small compared to UiPath. This means that WorkFusion is not so balanced in terms of personal skills.
Through the WorkFusion official website, I collected executive team background information and company major new release information. I have counted the academic qualification of senior executives. Among them, 8 keep undergraduate degrees, 5 keep master's degrees, and 1 keeps a doctoral degree. In terms of professional counterparts, there are 80% of the executives whose majors during the schools match the current job. The industries where executives used to serve contain software, media management, consulting, marketing, communication, and data analysis, and details in the table. On average, each executive worked in 3 or more different industries before WorkFusion. I divide the significant news and product release information into 3 categories: product release awards and the strategic financing. The company will have a product update or a new product release every 2 months to half a year. The second one is awards and recognized. In the approximately 3 years from 2016 to 2019, the company and the senior executives received 12 awards and nominations. Finally, the strategic corporations and milestone. The company has maintained the cooperation with well-known companies in the expansion stage to build an excellent business ecosystem. The members of the senior management teams are generally undergraduates, and most of them majored in job matching subjects. As a management, the main advantage comes from a rich career background, since most people have more than 20 years of work experience in their respective fields. The frequency of product updated of WorkFusion is in line with the basic situations of the industry. Then we go into the third part to measure the creativity of employees, which can be reflected by the papers, news articles, projects, and events. I will talk at this part from 3 points. The first is number of newspapers articles among competitors. The second is the numbers of these among WorkFusion. The third is citations of patents and papers. To better show WorkFusion's situation, we compare the results with WorkFusion's 3 competitors. WorkFusion has second largest number of news, articles, and events, just below that of UiPath. In addition, another indicator called Crunchbase rank can reflect the 4 companies' whole impact as well. CB rank is determined by an algorithm that takes into account the number of connections of a profile, finding events, news articles, and more. The higher the rank, the more influential the profile is compared to its peers. We can see WorkFusion is top 3 among their competitors. As for numbers of news articles, patents, projects, papers among WorkFusion, members of current leadership in WorkFusion have the creativity in some content because they have diverse types such as news articles, papers, and so on. But the number is not enough. As for CB rank for the team members in WorkFusion, about half of team members' ranks are within top 10,000. Therefore, the current leadership impact of WorkFusion has a median level according to CB rank. For citations of patents and papers, no matter patents or papers citations, both show the WorkFusion indeed has excellent talents in academic and technology fields, but the number of talents is also very few.
Alright, here comes the speech-to-text video analysis. By utilizing Google Cloud Speech-to-Text API, we successfully transform the video into audio, then transform the audio into text. Google's Cloud Speech-to-Text API is a very powerful tool that allowed us to transform the audio file into the text. And it also supports 120 kinds of different languages, and it supports long audio. So for us, the speech video is usually more than 20 minutes long, so it will be a good choice. And here is a good demo of what we're doing. It is a core part of our code, and the output of our result. You can see it output the transcript of, for example, the my name is Alex later, what they said, and also the confidence level of our guests.
After transferring the videos and speeches into text, we then use Python to do analysis on this text. First, we divide the text into words by NLTK and do pre-processing on them, removing those symbols and worthless words, such like and, I, and some prepositions. Then, we generate word clouds for each text to show the words the speaker most frequently mentioned. After having abstract impressions on this text, we do further analysis to extract more information from the text. In detail, we use TF-IDF algorithm to assess the professionality of the text and use sentiment analysis to assess the positivity and the objectivity. We consider the text more relevant to AI and fintech topics, more positive and objective as better text. We use the weighted total scores to rank these speeches and the speakers. Here is an example word cloud. We can see that those words relative to AI and fintech topics, such as machine intelligence, financial, artificial, and business, are more frequently mentioned by the speaker, which is consistent with our expectation. This table shows the result of our following analysis. We scored and ranked both speeches and speakers from different perspectives, and the result shows that Max shows the highest professionality. Alex is the most positive when talking, and the speeches given by Adam are most objective. In total, Max is the best speaker based on a group of ways we set, and by collecting more samples, we can get more reasonable results. This method can also be used when the number of companies and persons we research on increases, since most of the work can be done by computers.
Okay, here is the synthesis and the suggestion part. We think in the future, we will combine all our results of the research into one competence score to weight all the scores together to get a universal result. And also, we will pack our results into one user interface, make it into one program so that we can sell our product to different clients. For example, the private equity companies, some equity research departments, and also we want to use Opinion Finder in the future to find what are they thinking about in their social media. I mean, the leaders' social media, for example, their Twitters, and also what we have got in the voice-to-text transcripts. And also, we are also welcome to different new ideas, creative ones, so we can make something new. Okay, so much for our presentation. Thank you for listening.